And Michael Jaafar. Michael, I want to start with you, and I'll give you your reaction to the approach by the defense here. I just want to give a little context. What happened was they were living together, they had a child together, and as you heard there from the defense attorney, they were on again, off again. On the night before she was last seen, I think she ended up being killed that night, they were at a bar. He shows up at a bar because he had been tracking her. It's something they had done even before then. It wasn't just because they were breaking up. She had told him she was done with him. She was interested in a guy at work. They go see each other at a bar. He shows up at the bar. He's upset. She leaves with the guy, and he catches her in his truck, or the other guy's truck, having sex. He tells her to get out. They go home. She's dead. He ends up stabbing her. So I want to get your thoughts on the idea that it seemed like the defense is saying that this was sort of this ongoing argument, conversation that started at the truck when he puts her in the car. They're still arguing. They get home, they're arguing. And probably, I think she's going to want to tell this jury, it was in the heat of passion that he kills his girlfriend or the mother of his child, rather than this premeditated where he just took her home because he wanted to kill her there rather than in the street.
I think he should get ready for a lifetime of being in prison. I think this guy's he's going to get cooked. I mean, that's probably the only defense they could levy. But at the end of the day, you know, she just had a kid with a guy. It seems pretty apparent to me, based on the defense's opening statement, that he murdered her and that this is probably murder one. Right? See, just by the defense's opening argument, I just don't see where you go from here. I think at this point, the rest of this is just trivial. We're going to go through a trial, but based on what the defense's opening statement is, it sounds like murder one to me. It doesn't seem like anything else. So it's a really bizarre theory of the case.